and brown eyes. The child was last seen at 1112 Country Club Road, Fairmont, West Virginia, and is believed to be in extreme danger. Authorities advise the child was likely abducted by a Rosemary Glossbell, grandmother to Emelina Hinterman. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Emelina Hinterman, please contact Marion County Sheriff's Department at 304-367-5300 or the West Virginia State Police, your local 911, or Star SP on cell phone.
Oh my gosh. Did that really just happen? Dude. It's 11:07 at night. About to go to sleep. And here I am. Just about had a heart attack. My very first child abduction emergency. I mean, yeah, I missed the headers, but oh my gosh. That's crazy.